As you can see here, we have Jade, my baby girl, who's 18 years old this year. She's been feeling ill in the past 6 to 7 months. She became deaf in the last year, and now she's been diagnosed with stage 3 kidney disease. I think the news really hit me hard, and with a lot of other things going on all at once, it was very overwhelming. I really wanted to take this time to really do good by her and also to take care of my mental health by sharing, all of these things that are happening at once. We're doing all we can every day to increase her movement and to change her food to help support her renal disease. And all we can do is to help and make her happy as much as we can while she's here. Lesson is to cherish everyone around you.